Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this fabulous HP Z2 Mini G5 Workstation. There's a couple things that I really like about this, and one is its size. It's just so much more convenient than using a regular computer tower. It's small and it is heavy, but it sits conveniently anywhere on your desk, under your monitor, wherever you need to put it. It will hide away, tuck away, really nice, really convenient. The second thing I want to tell you about is how great it is as a computer. This works wonderfully if you're a gamer and you need good, solid, fast graphics, or you use some other professional software where you really need that good speed and that good look. This is highly recommendable for both of those things. So overall, I think this is a great product. It works really well, and that is my point of view.